It's the last day of the elimination round.
Tingnan natin ngayong game natin against Santa Lucia.
From the back row, pasok.
Lines.
Dikit sa net, tight set. And Villanueva just arm's length away from it.
Makikita natin kung paano pumalo si Yasmin.
At the midcourt line. Dalayon with the set. Down the middle we go!
Combination play para dito sa Santa Lucia.
Ngayon talagang lalaban sila and they would go all out when it comes to fighting spirit. That's all for now. 7, John Vic.
That's insightful and good to know. In the meantime, we've got a long exchange which finally ends as that is dropped down. Mahaba-habang volleyball ang pinag-uusapan dito. Kasi siyempre, habulan ng panalo, dadalhin mo sa next round. Nice block! Excellent coverage, Dalayon. And instead of showing some wares here. Yep, yes it is. It is. Lakas. Oh, out yun, ha?
Good ball!
Pero wala ng tao.
Dito sa pinapakita ng dalawang kupunan natin, labanan ng depensa eh.
Nice set.
Nice set. Nice set, proper timing.
Ito hulog. Nice pick up that time by Alohi. Dalayon. Oh, yes, sir!
Tinapos na ni Ostero ang ating first set.
Bang sends it over. Dalayon kicks it.
Shane line again.
Push by Lastimosa. Back row attempt. Villanueva with a hand and a counter!
Iba na yung gigil ni Calibao sa magpatay ng bola.
Didn't get it. Return! It stays down!
Kailangan lang talaga effort.
But we set. Back Pineda is there. The strike. Southpaw connection by Ahumiro. Dalayon. Ganda. Ganda. Sabi ko na eh. Pag maganda set, kita mo may pupuntahan eh. And the set point serve. Regalo. Tapos po ang boxing. And UBC during the first 2 sets controlling the ball. MJ backs it down. Sinigawan ni Amanda. Huwag kang babalik. Pero bumalik.
Grabe. Ang hirap huminga pag ganun katagal yung rally, no? Hindi mo alam kung kailan mamatay ang bola.
Si Tarzan, eh, no? Sumisigaw sa bawat lipat niya. Amanda. Standing spike. Gani. The whip stays down.
Yun lang talaga eh. Pag may paminsan-minsan, hindi ka ginagamit na player pick.
Dalayon. That goes through but played. Blocked.
Yun lang.
Oh, we're done. We're done.
It's over.
Yung tawa niya na yan. Ano na, sabi sa'yo eh.
Parang inaasar ka eh.
Oo. Tagal ko nang kino-cover yan. Alam ko, pagka nakakaisa siya, wow, katindig steady. Amanda leaping, but huli siya.
Basang-basa na nila.
Alas 7, eh, hinabutan ang traffic.
Ayun
Patay. Back row. Yes, sir. And 2 straight points by the Lady Realtors. There's a natural tendency now, and that will end the set. Wow. Oh, inabutan. Inabutan. Yes, inabutan. Robbins Hardy. Off the head. That was loaded.
Ibang klase yung power na pinakawalan doon.
Or sa ulo. Amanda. Para siya si Maria Sharapova, no? Sumisigaw talaga. Karkarian! Close to the net. Rivera. Naku. May maluwag na kanto ron. They cover it. Phillips. Yes!
Nagawan pa ng paraan.
Nice drop.
Oops!
Goodbye. And Robbins Hardy.
Good serve.
By Loman. Sumisigaw si Amanda. Robin Hardy. That is still alive. Ahumiro. Long. It's in. It's in.
At tatapos na ang ating 5th set.